In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use virtual backgrounds in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to hide your cluttered office space or add some flair to your meetings, this guide will make it a breeze. Let's get started. First, we need to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. It's here that you'll enter your Microsoft account details, so make sure you have those handy. This will log you into your Teams account, giving you access to all the features necessary for today's tutorial. Now that you're logged in, it's time to join your meeting. Simply navigate to the meeting link or find the meeting in your calendar inside Teams. Once you're in the meeting, we can start customizing your background. Look to the top right corner for the More Options icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots. Give that a click to unveil a menu of additional features. Among these options, you'll see Video Effects and Settings. Select this option to start personalizing your virtual backdrop. Microsoft Teams provides a variety of default backgrounds from which you can choose. Simply browse through these selections until you find one that suits your mood or the theme of your meeting. If none of the default backgrounds catch your eye, don't worry. You have the option to add your own images as well. Look for the Add New button within the background settings. By clicking here, you can upload images from your device to use as custom backgrounds. Whether it's a serene beach scene or a funny photo from your last vacation, the choice is all yours. Once you've picked or uploaded the perfect background, it's crucial to click on Apply. This final step ensures that your chosen background is visible to everyone else in the meeting. Before you proceed, I suggest you double-check how it looks by quickly toggling your camera on and off in the preview. This helps confirm that you're perfectly framed against your new backdrop. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully set up a virtual background for your Microsoft Teams meeting. This feature not only enhances your visual presentation, but also provides a touch of privacy and personalization. Feel free to experiment with different backgrounds until you find the ones that best suit your needs and test how different images look depending on your current lighting and camera setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your online meetings a bit more visually exciting and engaging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy video conferencing!